Hello there, and here's another video about the 1100GS. How do you replace the headlight bulb? You're about to find out. Replacing the headlight bulb. Yeah, when you look at the layout, that's easy, that is, yeah. Just go in the back. Hey? When you look in the back, there's nowhere to get in. How do you replace a headlight bulb on a GS? I've done it on the RT. I've done a video on the RT. It's fairly straightforward. But on the GS, this looks a little bit involved. So we'll have a look. Come along. I'll show you how. So the first thing I'm going to do, undo these three here. This removes this cover. Then the headlight falls out. Oh. So that's how you get to the headlight bulb. Disconnect that. On this particular machine, we've got a pilot bulb which is held there, and then there is the headlight bulb. Push that in, off that comes, out comes the bulb. This for some reason isn't that bright, so I've got to find out why. Plug the bulb in. Let's have a look, see what the light's like. Main beam, that's bright. Dip beam, so there's no light coming from the dip beam. So let's put another bulb in, see how that goes. This is a conventional halogen. Cool, blimey. Dip beam, main beam, that's bright, so that's what's going to get a replacement bulb. So there you go then, all fitted, back on. Let's have a look. Side light, headlight. That's it. All working perfectly. That's that finished. So there you go then. That's the that's how you replace the headlight bulb. All working, all easy to do. Just a little insight into the headlight bulb. Okay. Nice to see you. Take care. See you soon. Bye.